Okay, here we got, I just changed the brake pads on this electric bicycle. These are Tektro, but they're exactly the same as the Shimano, perhaps. So that's the old ones, Tektro E10. That bit here, and that's the new ones that I put in there. So they can be Shimano or Shimano, and they will fit the Tektro brake pads as long as they are the same shape. As you can see there, that one is the same as that. Basically the way this one is done is got these two bolts here with Allen key. I think it's 8mm. Take these two out, this comes out, then you pull this pin, just pull that out, straighten this one at the back, pull it out, and there is the brake pads. There's one brake pad, there's the other one, and they both come through on the other side. Take the old ones out, put the new ones in, and notice in the middle there is this piece of metal, which is this one here. That's the old one. They just go like this. That's the old one there. You put the metal bit there, you get the other pod, put them together, and then you hold it like that, and you insert them in there from underneath here. You insert them in there, you slide this pin in, and they stay in here. Then you're going to need a screwdriver to push the caliper here, to push it back. Once you push it back, the caliper, there's enough space there for the disc to get between the two pads. Slide this back, put this back in place, bolt it in, and that's it, you're done. So it's a lot quicker and probably cheaper as well to do it yourself than having to leave your bicycle for a day or 2 days at a bike shop. So these ones here in the UK, these ones I bought them in at Halfords for £9. You get them on eBay for £4, £5, which I did order a few on eBay to replace the other one at the front. At the moment it's okay at the front, but it's good idea to replace it, because if this is worn out, then the other one will be close to being worn out as well. And these here are all the tools you're gonna need: screwdriver to slide the pin out, pliers to bend the pin, and the Allen key to unscrew the bolts out. And you're gonna need a screwdriver to push the caliper back to make space for the disc between the pads.